Hello everyone, hope that you are doing well. Do you ever feel that there is never enough time to accomplish everything that you planned, or are you struggle to manage your time more effectively? Actually, we have all been there at some point, but if you learn how to use your time more effectively, you will be able to become more productive and satisfied with your personal and professional life. Okay everyone, in this video I am going to demonstrate how to manage your time more effectively. We know time is actually the most valuable resource that we have because it is the only thing that we never get back. So time management is your energy management. It indicates the process of planning and controlling your activities and energy. Good time management enables an individual to complete more in a short time period and lead to career success. Okay everyone, in this video we are going to talk about how to manage your time more effectively. If you want to manage your time more effectively, you need to make a to-do list and prioritize them wisely based on importance and urgency. So if you haven't determined anything what you are going to do throughout your day, you are going to spend more and more time unnecessarily. But to-do list can be a great way to help you to remember tasks and stay motivated to accomplish them. Then every morning you should look over your to-do list and prioritize the most important and urgent work first, because they are the most essential tasks that have to be completed before end of the day. Then set a time to complete the task, because without time boundaries you are going to spend more and more hours to complete your task. Therefore always set an approximate time to complete your work. It employs you to save your time as well as your energy. So stay focused on one thing at a time. Don't go through the multitasking, because research has proven that multitasking doesn't work and it loses up to 40% of your productivity. So focus your full energy on one task at a time, and it helps you to reach momentum level very soon. Once you step to the momentum level, you will get ability to complete your task more quickly and will help you to save your time. On the other hand, always try to avoid distraction, because small distraction can take you away from using your time more effectively by reducing your concentration. On the other hand, take a break between tasks, because when you engage with a lot of tasks without a break, it is hard to stay focused and motivated. Therefore, refresh yourself by taking little break between tasks will help you to complete your task quickly and save your time. Furthermore, identify and remove your non-essential tasks and habits and refill them with essential and important tasks which contribute to develop your personal and professional life. On the other hand, organize everything that you need to complete your work more appropriately, because cluttered environment and a lack of organization will cause to reduce your focus and concentration. As a consequence, you will take more time to complete your work and you will unable to use your time more effectively. Therefore, make sure to keep your mind fresh by organizing everything more appropriately to engage with your work. This will help you to use your time more effectively and wisely. Thank you for watching this video. See you soon. Bye bye.